Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today we will be interacting with the DOM. I will cover 7 topics in this series. What is an event? Callback function, listening for events with event listener, the event object, event publishing and delegation, get all children of the node, and traversing of the DOM. By the end of this course, you will be confident building programs using JavaScript. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel, Code with Vivek. I upload new videos every Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. UK time, so please stay tuned. Now let's get started with our first topic. What is an event? Events are everywhere in web development and make our websites interactive and dynamic. Whether you are clicking a button, hovering over an image, or submitting a form, events allow JavaScript to react to these actions. So what exactly is JavaScript event? An event is any kind of interaction or change that happens in the browser. Think of it as a signal that tells JavaScript, hey, something just happened. Events can be triggered by user actions like mouse click, key press, or page load, and JavaScript let us decide how to respond. Let's start with one of the simplest event, the click event. Here, we have selected the button and p element by using getElementById. Then, we use the addEventListener method to listen for the click event on our button. When a button is clicked, it triggers a function that changes the text inside the p tag. If you check the preview and click the button, we can see the message, button is clicked. Let's try another one, the key down event. This event fires whenever a key is pressed. Here, we have selected input and p element by using getElementById. Whenever a user presses a key inside the input box, the key down event is triggered and displays which key was pressed. Check the preview, press any key, and it shows the key we have pressed. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll learn about the callback function. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.